Hello guys, so Ate GB is here after 5 years I think, or 6 years again. I come back to this place. I went here with Francis, Johnny, Marilo, shout out. I miss you, Marilo. You remember Dai, Marilo? We have photos there, Marilo. I miss also Ate Rose. Ate Rose is no longer here. She was the reason why I was able to know this place. Ate Rose, where are you? I wish you are alive. We have photos there. Thank you so much, Ate Rose.
Feel the energy.
For showing me this place. Thank you so much. I miss you, Ate Rose. I miss you. Marilo Dai. Let's come back here again. See guys, friends. That's Frances and 3D Sarangay. Hello Frances. Frances, second time. 3D first time. And I hope it won't be the last. See guys, this was featured on Drew Arellano's travel vlogs. Yeah, cliff diving. Dili ay stay na. See? Wow. Dili. Government office na, this WD. It's very nice place. See, this is your Ate JB over here. Ate JB. I want to bring my family here. Jamaica, James, Esperan, Junjon, Jaber, Thomas, and my Mama Nanit. Soon we will come here.
Jamaica, come here.
Jamaica, nakarin ako na sa Jamaica. See guys, Didangs and her family went for the what you call this? Cliff diving. I will let you see, huh? What can you see in this place? See? Bohok Rock Resort, beach area, cliff diving, guest house. Ano na ko ay? Kahiyon na ba kay ko? Yung buntag. Are na lang ko ay kay. Oh, Babo, you can go there. Not to dive, but take photo only. See there. See? Didang and her family is there with Junior. Let's go? Last time we never went down.
Why you were in hurry last time to go back home?
Oh yeah, because
the grafting has been done. See, this is our part of the grafting.
Oh, I feel dizzy. I will not go there. You go.
Why?
I feel dizzy now. I don't
Hold
like.
and go, hold and go.
No, I don't like heights.
Hold and go.
You go. Baba, it's face here. Babo. You go there. I will take photo. Wait. There na. Wait, ha. Okay. I will just wait for you here. No, I will not come down. I feel dizzy. I'll just wait for you here, okay?
Why not? You come to try.
Oh, I feel dizzy. I'm afraid of heights.
Yeah, me too.
You too?
Yeah, but it's very exciting.
No, I'm afraid of heights. I'm afraid of heights. Nay. You go. I will just wait here. Oh. You're exhausted.
Yeah.
Exhausted.
Actually, so scared about it.
Yeah. Ay. I'm just wait here. See, my family is there, na? I will wait here, guys. I will not go there. I will just go upstairs again. Wait for them here. Because I'm afraid of the heights. Oh, hello. The kids. Thanks God for the blessings.